Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. My name is Birol, and I'm going to be talking about the project I built for cyber physical systems this semester. So my project focused on a thermal printer, and so I built an application that used Wi-Fi to connect to the thermal printer and give it commands so that it can print. Um, Also, and the application had a barcode. I'll show you the application right now. Uh, so my application is basically this. I will share the source code with you guys in the group chat so that you guys can. It'll be open source. So if you guys want to make any changes, feel more than free to make any changes or comments. So you search, and then so it finds all the printers around you or anything with a Bluetooth, and then you hit card it, and then I gave it an option to scan a barcode, and then you can scan a barcode like that, and then it's okay, there we go. It scans the barcode for you, and then I built a database for it, just a prototype right now for now, that knows what this barcode number stands for, so that when I hit print, the thermal printer um, prints that item, and I'm able to give it the amount, the price, the total. It works like a self checkout at a supermarket. But the reason I built this is because during these times, during this virus uh, this virus is going on, and the people are social distancing, and I feel like a product like this would help small businesses a lot when it comes to practicing social distancing. um, what I'm planning on doing with this was a quick prototype, but what I'm planning on doing in the long term is uh, building a building a bigger unit that has a Android tablet, so that the small businesses can install this into their business, and their customers can download the application and be able to scan the items in the store, and the application will process the payments for them. But for now, it connects to the printer using the Bluetooth, or we can do the Wi-Fi as well. And this is a both Android and iPhone application. So if you have an Android and want to run this application on your phone, uh, you can. It's possible. Um, so I used Flutter to build this application. Again, I will post this code to the group chat so everyone can take a look at it. And this is kind of like the um, database that I have. So when it reads the item barcode, it knows what it is. Obviously, a prototype, but in the future, it can be built at a bigger scale to help these small businesses get this type of technology. The sources I used was usually most of the time was the Flutter like library. So I used the barcode scanner. I just searched barcode, and the barcode scanner came, and then I just used I just used the dependencies here. And then they always have an example code here that I used um, to implement this into my code. Um, so I was able to get it to work. So the printer works right now. It prints. Um, so the inputs I gave it, let me, I can demonstrate real quick. Demonstration. I have my printer here, and I have three items to my left, and I'm gonna start by scanning each item. Um, so we can search. Here we go, the Bluetooth printer. We can card it, and then click on the camera icon and start scanning the items. So that was the peanut I just scanned, and then next item will be a notebook. Okay, and the third item will be a body lotion. Okay,
And then what we can do is, so it read all the inputs for the barcodes, and then we can go back. And then once we click on the printer, it will start printing. Okay. So now going back to the printer, what we have is, so we have a label, and we have the address of the business, the phone number, and their address. I mean their web address or email address. And then it takes the inputs, the three inputs I put in. Um, we set a price for each item, and then the total, and then it adds up the total. This cash and change are just variables I made for the sake of it, just to see what it looks like. And then it is a thank you, and then the date and the time. It's like a basic printer. I think it's good looking and very efficient. Um, so yeah, so this has been my project so far. Um, I'm hoping that I can build this into a one unit in the future. I can use a Android tablet. Right now, this unit cost me about $50. But in the future, I can have the printer and the tablet, and then connect them all, and probably be able to build this whole self checkout unit with an application uh, for about $150. Um, Uh, so yeah, this has been my project. If there's any questions, concerns, if there's any comments about my code, feel free to email me or drop me your comment in the group chat. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.